Marrying for a green card in the United States isn't just risky, it's a gamble many people lose. The so-called shortcut to your dream life often turns into a fast track to deportation, debt, or disaster. The truth? Green card marriages are not what they seem. Let's uncover the hidden dangers that could cost you far more than you ever imagined. Risk 1. Immigration's fraud radar. Immigration authorities are trained to spot fraudulent marriages, and their methods are thorough. Separate interviews test whether couples know intimate details about each other. Surprise home visits check if you really live together. Even your social media is monitored for inconsistencies. One wrong answer or slip-up can bring everything crashing down. In 2023, a couple in Miami tried to fool immigration officers by memorizing details about their relationship. But during the interview, one said their favorite vacation was to Hawaii, while the other claimed it was Paris. That single inconsistency led to deportation for one partner and a 5-year ban for the other. Takeaway: immigration officials don't just rely on paperwork, they rely on psychology, observation, and surprise tactics to uncover the truth. Risk 2. You're playing with the law. While many people think immigration fraud only puts the immigrant at risk, the U.S. citizen involved is just as vulnerable. Federal law treats marriage fraud as a serious crime, with penalties including up to 5 years in prison, $250,000 in fines, and a permanent criminal record. Even worse, a genuine marriage with small mistakes can also be flagged, putting both parties through unnecessary stress and potential prosecution. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, investigates over 2,000 cases of suspected marriage fraud annually with an 85% conviction rate. Takeaway: no matter your intentions, you're walking on legal quicksand that could pull you into a criminal nightmare. Risk 3. Emotional manipulation gone too far. When one partner holds power over the other's immigration status, manipulation often follows. This can start subtly, with one partner controlling finances or dictating who the other can socialize with. But it can escalate to outright abuse. If the immigrant feels trapped and fears deportation, leaving the toxic relationship can seem impossible. A Jamaican woman married an American man, hoping to secure a green card, but soon found herself isolated. He monitored her phone calls, took her wages, and threatened to report her to ICE if she even hinted at leaving him. Takeaway: what begins as a calculated decision can quickly spiral into emotional and psychological captivity. Risk 4. Financial devastation. Green card marriages are often financially draining. The immigrant might pay thousands in legal fees, application costs, and possibly even bribes. Meanwhile, U.S. citizens might rack up debt while trying to maintain their appearances. The financial losses can be devastating if the marriage falls apart or the green card is denied. A Jamaican man spent over $20,000 on legal fees, court fines, and living expenses during his green card application process. When his spouse backed out of the arrangement halfway, he was left bankrupt and had to return home. Takeaway: even if you succeed, the financial toll of the process often outweighs the perceived benefits. Risk 5. Public scorn and stigma. Marriages that fail publicly can be humiliating. The stigma of being exposed to fraud can follow you for years, affecting your career, relationships, and community standing. Worse, with the rise of social media, your personal drama can go viral, making a recovery nearly impossible. In 2021, a couple staged a wedding for a green card application but was exposed when a guest shared photos online, revealing the couple had only met a week earlier. The story spread, ruining their personal and professional lives. Takeaway: the internet never forgets. Once your story is out there, it's hard to rebuild your reputation. Risk 6. Living a lie. Pretending to be in love for the sake of a green card takes a mental toll. You're constantly on edge, worrying about slipping up or being discovered. You must fake emotions, maintain appearances, and remember fabricated details, which can lead to chronic stress, anxiety, and even depression. A survey by the Migration Policy Institute revealed that individuals in fraudulent marriages are 40% more likely to experience mental health issues, including insomnia and panic attacks. Takeaway: the emotional cost of living a double life often outweighs the perceived gains. Risk 7. Danger to your life. Marrying someone you don't truly know is a massive gamble. Green card arrangements can expose you to abusive or dangerous individuals, and the legal tie of marriage can make escape incredibly difficult. If you feel unsafe, your immigration status might prevent you from seeking help. A Jamaican woman in Canada married for a green card, only to discover her spouse in the US had a violent history. She endured years of physical abuse, too terrified to report him out of fear of deportation. Takeaway: safety should never be compromised. The risks of marrying a stranger or manipulative partner are far too great. If this video has opened your eyes to the reality of green card marriages, hit the subscribe button now. Our channel uncovers truths that matter, helping you make informed decisions and avoid life-changing mistakes. Stay tuned for more hard-hitting stories that could save you time, money, and heartache. Here are 2 bonus facts. Number 1. No refunds for denied applications. Once you pay green card filing fees, often thousands of dollars, there's no refund if your application is denied. In addition, any money spent on lawyers, travel, or your spouse, as well as financial loss, can be crushing. Number 2. Fraud wrecks future chances. A flagged immigration record for marriage fraud sticks with you forever. Even if you fall in love later, your chances of obtaining a visa or citizenship drop drastically, limiting your opportunities globally. Green card marriages may seem like an easy solution, but as we've uncovered today, they're anything but simple. The risks far outweigh the rewards, from emotional scars to financial ruin and even physical danger. If you're considering this path, think carefully. Your future is worth protecting. We've only scratched the surface of this controversial topic. Subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content, share this video to spark conversations, and watch other videos on this channel. Let's build a community where informed decisions pave the way for a brighter future.